Hello and welcome. Today I will show you how to create schedules as well as choose your preferred time zone on HMailPlus webmail. Let's get started. To create a schedule, click the calendar icon at the top. On the left, click the drop-down icon on New Appointment and choose Scheduling. To add participants, use the search bar to find a contact and see their available time slots. Click and drag the time you want, then click Create Appointment, and you are done. To choose your preferred time zone on your calendar, click the gear icon in the top right and select All Settings. Click Calendar on the left, then select Additional Time Zones. Pick your time zones from the drop-down and click Add Time Zone. And that's it. Stay tuned for more on HMailPlus.